Now let's discuss question number 23. Here this question states find the value of lambda so that the given lines are at right angles. Also find whether the lines are intersecting or not. So this question carries 4 marks. So here we are talking about these two lines. Let us firstly represent them in the standard form. So firstly I have here 1 minus x upon 3 equal to 7y minus 14 upon lambda equal to z minus 3 upon 2. So here this is the equation of the first line. When you represent it in the standard form, I get here x minus 1 upon minus 3 equal to y minus 2 upon lambda by 7, where I have taken up 7 common from these two terms and brought it in the denominator. Here I have z minus 3 upon 2. Let's consider this is all equal to the constant k. Here as per the standard equation, I get here the direction ratios as minus 3 lambda by 7 and 2. So you can definitely state here that the direction ratio for L1 will be minus 3 lambda by 7 and 2. In similar manner, we have the second equation 7 minus 7x upon 3 lambda equal to y minus 5 upon 1, which is further equal to 6 minus z upon 5. Let us represent the second equation, that is L2, in the standard form. It gives me x minus 1 upon minus 3 lambda by 7. Here I have taken up 7 common, that is minus 7 common from the numerator. Here I have y minus 5 upon 1, and here on taking minus 1 common, I get z minus 6 upon minus 5. Now let us consider this is all equal to k2. So I get here the required direction ratios for L2 as minus 3 lambda by 7, 1 and minus 5. So these are the direction ratios for L2. Now it was provided that these two given lines L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other. They are intersecting at right angles. And you know that when two lines are intersecting at right angles, then sum of the product of their corresponding direction ratios is equal to 0. So I get here minus 3 into minus 3 lambda by 7 plus lambda by 7 into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0. On solving this equation, you will be getting here the required value of lambda equal to 7. So here I have obtained the value of lambda equal to 7. So in the first part of this question, you had to figure out what is the value of lambda. Now let's check whether the two given lines intersect or not. So what is the condition for that? The lines which are in the form of x minus x1 upon a1 equal to y minus y1 upon b1, which is further equal to z minus z1 upon c1, and x minus x2 upon a2 equal to y minus y2 upon b2 equal to z minus z2 upon c2. They intersect if you get value of this determinant equal to 0, considering that the two lines are non-parallel. Here in this determinant, I take difference of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2, z1 and z2, and here I have the direction ratio of the first line and here I have the direction ratio of the second line. If you obtain value of this determinant equal to 0, then you can say that the given two lines are intersecting. If you don't get the value of determinant 0, you can say that the lines do not intersect. So taking that into consideration, I substitute the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 and z1, z2 and the value of the direction cosines on substituting lambda. Because earlier lambda was not known to you, using that value of lambda equal to 7, you are substituting it and that gives you this determinant. Where on expanding this determinant along the first row or any other row, you will get the value of determinant equal to minus 63, which is clearly a non-zero quantity. And if these two lines intersect, then the value of this determinant should be equal to 0. As it is a non-zero, I can definitely state here that the two lines do not intersect. I have these two lines as non-intersecting lines. So this is the answer for this question. As it was a 4-marker question, so when you obtain the direction ratio for the first line, here you will obtain half marks, and for the direction ratio of the second line, you will obtain half marks. Next, to obtain the value of lambda, you will be obtaining 1 mark. And finally, showing that these two lines do not intersect. You will be showing that these two lines do not intersect. Till this step, after writing this statement, you will get complete 2 marks. So that gives you total 4 marks for this question. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed to our next question.